Let me invite next panelist, Sree Vishnu Vardhini, one of the engineering students. The FOSSEE internship at IIT Bombay has been a game changer for Sree Vishnu Vardhini, a pre-final year electronics and communications engineering student from Sri Eshwar College of Engineering in Coimbatore. Her journey began with spoken tutorials where she self-learned eSim, an open source EDA tool developed by FOSSEE program of IIT Bombay. The easy to follow spoken tutorials made it simple for her to grasp complex concepts and build a strong foundation in circuit design. During her internship, she tackled complex topics and designed 15 plus integrated circuit components, mastered datasheet interpretation, and contributed to a variety of bug fixes, enhancing the tool itself for the future learners. The experience deepened her passion for core electronics and empowered her to dream big. Her dedication and skills earned her third prize in the prestigious VLSI Circuit Design Hackathon organized by NIT Jamshedpur, a testament to her growth through open source learning. Typically, computer science and engineering is generally perceived to be not the favorable topics for the girls. Against that backdrop, Sree Vishnu Vardhini not only showing the deep passion, but achieving so much is just remarkable. So we are glad to have Sree Vishnu Vardhini. Just a quick question for you. As a woman in engineering, what challenges you have faced and how that encourages more young women to pursue these important topics, electronics and computer science?
Hello, everyone, and thank you, Ratan sir, for the introduction. And first of all, a very happy Women's Day to all the amazing women here, and a big thank you to the team for organizing this session and giving me a chance to be a part of it. Talking about the role of women in core electronics industry, I'm really glad to see that the gender gap is gradually decreasing. But honestly, we still have a very long way to go. Personally, I am fortunate enough not to face any major challenges as a woman in engineering. But if I had to point out, I'd say that one of the toughest parts of being a woman in core electronics is the lack of enough women role models. So every time I look up to someone who has made it big in the core electronics industry, it's usually a man. So sometimes it gets a bit hard to imagine how to manage, grow, and thrive in this industry as a woman. And Yet another thing that I noticed is that it can get a bit lonely. Like in my college, the number of girls who opted for engineering is roughly half the number of boys. So, and when it comes to pursuing a career in core electronics field, the number of girls is even less. So, sometimes you feel a little bit isolated. But I'm confident that this scenario will change when more and more women start choosing their careers in core electronics or any other male dominated field. When the next generation women see more women role models and more women pursuing these careers, they will definitely be inspired to pursue a career in such male dominated fields.
Wonderful. It is great to see people like you taking not only serious interest, but showing that the girls have equal opportunity to transform these fields. She, if you would like to share, how has that spoken tutorial experience in particular been key to your learning experience?
Sure, sir. So when I started my internship at FOSSEE in the eSim domain, uh, I have to admit that initially I found the tools and applications quite overwhelming, and I haven't been used to such tools before. So the spoken tutorials played a major role, and they helped me simplify these concepts. So one of the best things about the spoken tutorials is that they show the entire process of building circuits and running simulations in live. So when I tried building the sample circuits shown in the tutorials, I gradually became more comfortable building a complex circuit without much difficulty. So, spoken tutorials definitely played a big role in my learning journey with FOSSEE, and I'm really grateful that for starting such a great initiative.
Thank you, Sree, and we look forward to you being the role model, you being the leader for your generation. And hopefully, with your example and many other examples like you, we will be able to change this ratio you talked about and come to parity in our engineering institutions. I know IITs have come a long way, but still nowhere near the parity we need. So thank you for your leadership.